Hey guys, Dante here, and it's time for another video. Hey everyone, Dante here, and welcome to the last week of the Geo Breaking series. So, I saved the best for last, and you might remember this type of geode. You saw me break this open, this particular type, at the 5-week mark. And this is going to be cool. I mean, look, I almost don't want to break it. You just look on the outside, all the colors, the crystals. This is just beautiful. Look at pink and black and tan and white and ooh, it's so good. But like every geode, it's its fate to get smashed open. And so, let's do it. Oh wait, I should warn you. This is also the same type of geode that took me an hour to break last time, so this may be another two-parter. Just want to warn you. But let's see. Oh crap. Okay then. Parts already breaking. We already got a shard that'll be going over here. This is just plain rock. We got some more crystal over here. Let's keep smashing it, shall we? Whoa! Explosion! Well, no two-parter, but now let me see if I can gather all of it. Be right back. So, here it is, guys. Everything cleaned up and all nicey nice. And let's take a look at the inside. Starting with this central piece. Here we go. Looks like we got another drowsy crystal. Still some loose pieces on the inside. I can't get over how smooth this is on the inside. It's all the crazy looking formations. So, I can't really tell what type of crystal these deposits are growing over, but at this point I don't care. Like, this is just gorgeous. I'm loving this. Hang on. Okay. Here's another piece. Focus. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Focusing. Wow. Honestly, there's another bit of drowsy quartz in here. Hang on. And we got a good sized crystal forming in here. And if I can determine how many sides it has, I can tell you what type of crystal this may be on the inside. Underneath the drowsy layer. Let me see. It looks like 6 sides. So I believe... hang on. The guidebook said what type of crystal it is. Yeah. Let me see here. Okay, it looks like it's standard quartz. Sorry guys, I was fixing the sleeve. Yeah. Here's the last major piece. Let's get a nice good look. If the camera could focus nicely. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stupid! Sorry guys, I wish the camera would focus better. Anyways, if you're wondering about... cough! Go away. So, yeah, those are the 3 major pieces of the geode. And if you're wondering about the 2 separate piles on the sides, well, these are crystals. Oh, these are crystals that are still attached to rock. No. Bend down, they are fragile. So, all these are here are quartz that are still attached to the rock. And that's pretty cool because there's some pink minerals underneath, if you can see it. Focus. Focus. See here. Try and get this to focus, guys, but I can't get this to focus. I apologize, guys. Anyways, some of those have pink minerals underneath the quartz, so some of them have a nice pinkish hue to them from underneath. I think that is pink calcite, but do not hold me to that, because I do not know how to determine crystals all that well. And over here, this pile is just all pure crystal. Focus. Here. I'm just going to zoom in, guys, okay? Here. See, this is all just one solid chunk of crystal, except for that at the bottom. This is what came from inside there, or anywhere. And they just fell out. And that's it, guys. That is our last geode of the series. Thanks for tuning in all these weeks. I know this isn't really a lot of people's cup of tea, but it means a lot that you stayed in. This was one of my first series that I've done with geodes. This is like one of my favorite hobbies, even though I don't get to do it as often as I like now, because the place I get them it's kind of shut down for a while. But yeah, I love breaking geodes, and if you want me to continue the series, put it in the comments, and actually, let's see if we can get a certain amount of likes on this video. Say maybe like 1,000. If you guys can spread the word and we can get up to that amount, then yeah, I'll totally do more of these. But until then, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that bell icon. Thank you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.